delete their north. Keep walking north for now. Keep walking north, keep walking. Brawl them. Keep walking. Keep walking. Ready? Okay. Hold. Do not come. Delete this deep tank, please. Delete this deep tank of them. Delete this deep. Ready, def. Keep walking west. We're gonna hit northwest. Ready. Okay. Ready. Just keep walking. Detang hold them. They're looking. Def. Look north. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the backline. This is the backline. Nice. Fucking delete. Walk in now. Oy, tier 8 to. Yung may shield, tier 8. Yung may shield, tier 8 yan. Yung may shield, Kingmaker, tier 8. Nice. Noobs. Cracker noobs.
Wait.
Walk over now. They're dead. Oh, look on the ground. Ready. On the ground, boys. On the GA. Stop that, please. Okay, look north. On north side, healer. 3, 2, 1.
May bomb dito sa akin, ha? Mayo.
Okay. Go west. Okay, kill that, please. Okay. Oh my god. Sayang OC.
Nandito sa akin.
Hello, Mio. Hello.
Come here. Yes.
May labang kayo?
Yeah, we just fucking fought. DC Kaka.
Ay, puta, mamatay
Big
yata ako.
fight daw sa Bisdak kung gusto nyo.
Saan?
Sa Bisdak.
Dito sila.
When? On me, boys. Come to the ping. Oh, this still going to engage this, ha?
Uy.
May makapag-engage pa to. Come back. Heal, please. Healers, come back, is.
Ayaw.
Come back, is. Okay. Nakapag-regear na sila. Look south. Look south on me. Ready? Hold. Tayo na. Hold. Hold. Everyone come east. Let's get out, everyone. Let's get out. Know when to get in, know when to get out. Okay, come east. Let's get out. Let's leave them now. Come northeast now. Mount up, and come northeast. Okay, sino yun? Saan yung fight sa Bistak?